These are exciting and challenging times in which to embark on the study of economics. The world has recently survived a deep global financial crisis. Europe's sovereign debts remain a serious threat to the stability of the European Union. We are bearing witness to a reorientation of economic power towards Asia. Arising from these changes are increasing global economic imbalances, resource scarcities, environmental issues, and social and political tensions. There are no easy solutions. Our economics faculty is widely recognized for their research and teaching excellence. Their work offers insights on current complex problems, their causes and solutions. We are constantly updating our curriculum to offer a spectrum of fresh perspectives. A practical bent in applying this knowledge, enhanced by our multidisciplinary approach to problem solving and emphasis on leadership development, is what makes our education and our graduates different. Decisions made in times of crisis can change the fate of entire companies, industries, or countries. Do you see crisis as threats or opportunities? Choose to be amongst those who can rise to the occasion and make a difference. It's your call.